We are going to discuss about the measures to minimize the risk of fire outbreaks in our education institutions in Kenya. And let us give our ideas on what causes, on how to minimize the fire outbreak in our institutions. Yes.
By training the staffs on the fire safety protocols, teaching them how to use the fire extinguishers, and showing them how to respond on emergencies.
Okay, we can do training to the staffs. Another point.
Setting fire alarm system, which help to detect fire outbreak in schools and also protect the loss of life and property in school and keeping families warm.
There's also collaboration with the fire authorities to obtain the fire safety licenses and accreditations to ensure that there is compliance with the fire safety standards. Yeah. Any other?
Like another flammable materials control, whereby you put those materials in a designated place away from the classrooms and the dormitories, which can result to fire in case of any.
Okay. You can give more points on it.
I can add one fire safety education. This student about fire prevention and how to respond to them safely. For example, in the lab, when there is outbreak of fire, the students should know how to respond to them by maybe using a fire extinguisher. They can use fire extinguisher like water to, to put off that fire.
Yeah. Actually, to add on it, there's an aspect that when students know, when you know now, when you incorporate it to the curriculum, and when students are taught on how to manage and also how to go about fire, it becomes easier sometimes to kupunguza hiyo the escalation of fire, the small fires to become big fire.
I also have another one to construct fire resistant building and facilities. For example, a paint called antimony trioxide.
I can also add about the allocation of the fire extinguishing equipments. For example, the sand buckets, the fire extinguishers, also the fire blankets. They should be well allocated for accessibility.
So thank you. Is there any other?
I have an extra point. You can also have building maintenance. That is, in a school setting, there should be regular checkups in the buildings, checking for potential fire hazards, and also maintenance on electrical appliances such as sockets and any naked wires that may at a point cause occurrence of fire. That's all.
Is there any other thing that is remaining? So far we have around 7.
Allow me to maybe add, there is the aspect of design when we come to the building designs and certain adjustments that could be made if at all they have not been placed. More so in areas where there are open flames, such as the kitchen and the laboratories that where we use the LPG gas. In the building design, there should be an allocation whereby the gas cylinders are placed outside the building and not close to where there is the open field. So that is a point where that I would like us to also take note of.
Thank you. There's also another aspect, maybe to close on this. In every risk,
there's a mitigation that there has to be the standard operating procedures. You're talking about the fire alarm, lazima kuwe na hiyo ni ya kuonyesha how it's supposed to be used so that it becomes easier for even somebody who is new to be able to use such equipment. Yeah, I think if there is no other point, that's why we are going to close the film.